In an era where data reigns supreme, harnessing its power to drive meaningful and strategic decisions is crucial. Webtel steps into the realm with its Power BI development and implementation services, offering enterprises the ability to transform basic information into impactful, data driven visual insights. Hello everyone, I'm Saloni from Team Webtel. In this video, I'm going to detail about the dashboarding services of Power BI and its benefits. So stay tuned, and before starting this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Webtel Electrosoft for regular enterprise updates. First, let's understand what is the dashboarding services of Power BI all about. Let's start with the basics. Power BI dashboarding services. Let's understand what is data dashboarding. Basically, BI dashboarding stands for Business Intelligence Dashboard. It refers to the creation and utilization of interactive visual displays of KPIs, metrics, and the other relevant data points. These dashboards provide a consolidated view of critical business information, facilitating quick and informed decision making processes. So, this is the meaning of a data dashboarding. Let's look at the key components of the BI dashboard. First key component of BI dashboard is real time data integration. BI often integrates real-time data, ensuring that the information presented is up-to-date and reflective of the current state of the business. Then is interactive. Users can interact with the dashboard, exploring different aspects of the data, drilling down into the details and customizing views according to their preferences. Accessibility means over here is these type of dashboards are designed to be accessible across devices, allowing stakeholders to view critical information on their desktops, laptops, tablets, or mobile phones. Now let's look at the need for dashboarding services. These are the reasons why businesses across various industries are recognizing and investing in dashboard services. First one is data simplification and visualization, as these type of dashboards help in transforming the complex data into a simplified data and visually appealing representation. Like the data with the help of these dashboards can be visually presented in the form of charts and graphs. Then is performance monitoring. Monitoring performance across various departments and processes can be a hectic process without a centralized view. BI dashboards offer a consolidated view of performance metrics, allowing businesses to monitor and analyze key indicators in one place. Then comes identifying trends and patterns. Uncovering trends and patterns within data can be time consuming without advanced analytics tools. BI dashboards use visualizations to highlight trends, outliers, and patterns, aiding in the identification of insights that may go unnoticed in the raw data. Then comes strategic alignment. It helps in aligning the various aspects of the organization with the real-time data insights. Strategic alignment. Aligning business strategies with real-time data insights can be a complex task. BI dashboards help align strategies by providing a comprehensive view of performance metrics and KPIs, facilitating strategic planning and executions. Then is informed decision making. A quick decision making can be done with the help of these type of dashboards, as decision makers require timely access to the relevant information for strategic decision making. Dashboards provide a real-time snapshot of key metrics, empowering decision makers to make informed choices promptly. So these are the reasons why the organizations are recognizing and investing in dashboard services. Now we are unlocking the power of the Power BI in Webtel, as Webtel leverages its capabilities to optimize and unify disparate datasets into actionable visual insights. Power BI empowers organizations to make efficient decisions related to employee productivity, market trends, and consumer behavior as well. Now let's look at the key benefits of Webtel Power BI. First one is data unification. Power BI facilitates the unification of the data from different sources or in a different formats into a single view, as it brings together scattered information for the comprehensive analysis and the supervision. Then is insightful analysis, as this process involves examining the data in a way that goes beyond simple observation. It gains valuable insights into historical data, empowering the businesses to forecast the future trends accurately. Then is interconnected insights. By connecting unrelated data sources, Power BI enables a holistic view of your business data, minimizing and optimizing the use of available information. Then is optimum use of business data. You can use the business data to its fullest potential, transforming it into actionable insights that drive informed decisions. And it also helps in strategic decision making. It anticipates market shifts, consumer behaviors, and industry trends. It allows for proactive and informed decision making. Then is integrate existing technologies. It helps in integrating or it helps in providing a scalable solution that adapts to the growing needs of the businesses. Then is performance optimization. It helps in improving the efficiency and effectiveness of the overall performance of the organization. Then it is a user-friendly interface that empowers users to generate reports with ease, promoting a more efficient and initiative reporting process. Then it is a cloud-based flexibility, or we can say that Power BI's compatibility with the cloud-based systems like CRM, ERP, or SharePoint enhances scalability and accessibility. Then is visual impact. It transforms the complex data and statistics into visually compelling charts, graphs, and diagrams, making it easier for the stakeholders to understand and interpret. Then is tailored reporting. Customized reports can be prepared with the help of Power BI. So these are the benefits that collectively contribute to a transformative data-driven culture within your organization. Webtel's Power BI development services position your business for growth by making informed decisions
based on meaningful insights. So this is all about the dashboarding services.
I hope you have understood that these services help businesses to turn their unstructured data into powerful and visually appealing insights that can drive growth and success. To transform your business data and cater your specific needs, the next step is to get in touch with our Power BI experts. Our team will collaborate closely with your business and provide a personalized solution. Don't hesitate any longer, take the leap and contact us now. For better comprehension, check out the blog link in the video description box and share it with your friends and colleagues. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comment section. Also, you can comment if you have any doubts. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Next Thursday, we will come up with another interesting video. Till then, stay safe and stay tuned with us for a better compliance and enterprise journey.